Folding phones are the big thing at this year's Mobile World Congress, between the Galaxy Fold last week and the Huawei Mate X, as well as a slew of prototypes from companies like TCL and Oppo. But it's a phone that isn't at the show, and hasn't even been officially announced yet, that's garnering the biggest buzz. Motorola revealed that it is indeed working on an as-yet unnamed folding phone, due this summer. A patent spotted earlier this year showed that the company was at least thinking about a folding phone, one with a design sure to make Moto Razr fans swoon in anticipation. But at MWC this week, Motorola's Dan Deary told Engadget that the company has no intention of coming later than everybody else in the market, indicating that its take on this year's hot new form factor could arrive in just a few short months, given the April release date of the Galaxy Fold and a summer release for the Mate X. It's certainly shaping up to be unique. Unlike the handsets we've seen this week, Motorola's folding phone will put all of its displays on the inside when closed, in order to protect the plastic OLED screen from nicks and scratches when you throw it in your pocket or bag. There's even the possibility of Motorola's phone boasting a dual hinge design, one that folds up in a Z. But it's a bit of a technical challenge, one Motorola might not want to tackle its first time testing the foldable waters. In the end, there's still a lot we don't know, but it's only a few short months before we find out if the company is true to its word. And in the meantime, we'll have plenty of other folding phones to check out. We'll see you next week with more Engadget Today.